Now there's fresh development in the Bihar Assembly elections as the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has taunted the RJD. Important information coming in as the GMM has issued an ultimatum to the RJD with respect to seat sharing and has said that the seat sharing must be finalized by the 14th of October. Important information coming in as GMM senior leader Supriyo Bhattacharya has said that if the party does not decide on a respectable number of seats, then the party will decide regarding the Bihar Assembly polls themselves. Important information coming in as the GMM has in fact issued an ultimatum to the RJD asking them to finalize the seat sharing arrangement by the 14th of October. Remember that Supriyo Bhattacharya, the GMM senior leader, has talked about this and he said that if the party does not, he's talking about the RJD here, if the RJD does not decide on a respectable number of seats, then the GMM will decide on seat sharing themselves for the Bihar Assembly polls. The ultimatum that has been issued by the GMM to the RJD is of the 14th of October, and the GMM has asked the RJD to present the final list of seats that it's giving to GMM by the 14th of October. Further, important to understand that the GMM has also asked for what it calls a respectable share of seats from its alliance partners. Remember, it's also talked about the Jharkhand elections where it gave its alliance partners a share, and based on which the Supriyo Bhattacharya has asked for a respectable number of seats for the Bihar Assembly elections from the RJD by the 14th of October.
हम महागठबंधन के साथ हैं, हम महागठबंधन के साथ ही चुनाव लड़ेंगे, लेकिन अपनी तैयारी भी हम लोगों ने पूरी कर रखी। हम 15 तारीख को हमारा केंद्रीय समिति जो हमें आधिकारिक तौर पे राजद, कांग्रेस, वाम को देना है वो हमको दे देना चाहिए, अन्यथा कोई हम एक स्वतंत्र राजनीतिक दल होने के कारण हाथ बांध के खड़े नहीं हैं। हमको भी फॉर्म ए, फॉर्म बी साइन करना आता है और चुनाव लड़ना भी आता है, और मजबूती से कैसे चुनाव लड़ा जाता है भाजपा के खिलाफ, ये हमने साबित कर दिखाया।
Well, on this, my colleague Raman Rai joining us on the telecast. And Raman, the GMM has openly issued an ultimatum to the RJD. They've given them the deadline of the 14th of October. What is it that you're understanding in this story?
Exactly. See, this is a pressure politics by the GMM after the statement of the senior leader Supriyo Bhattacharya ultimates RJD on the number of seats. That GMM said that before the 14th of October, the RJD will give the seats to GMM. As you all know that the RJD will give seats to GMM from their side. Around 2 to 3 seats RJD will give to GMM, but this is not finalized by till now. That's why GMM embarked on the RJD and said that they have to decide numbers of seats will given to the GMM before the October 14th, because already seat sharing discussions is delayed in the alliance, and he said that if it will not be done by the October 14th, that on October 15th the GMM will hold a meeting of their party, and after that he also said that GMM is free to take all the decisions, because we saw in the Jharkhand Assembly election GMM gave respective seats to the RJD, around 7 seats gave to RJD, and that's why GMM putting pressure on the RJD to give the numbers of respective seats to GMM. And he also said that we know how to contest election strongly against the BJP, as we all see in the Jharkhand Assembly election that GMM beat BJP in the state election, and that's why he is putting pressure on the RJD. And he also said that if it will not done by the October 15th, that GMM is free to take any decision.
Right, absolutely. That's my colleague Raman. They're telling us about how the GMM has in fact issued the RJD an ultimatum of the 14th of October to announce the seat sharing arrangement of Bihar with respect to GMM. Thank you so much, Raman, for joining us and sharing those details with us.